Check in the text below this video and also in the pinned comment. I'll provide a link where you can buy this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link for your shopping. Thank you so very much. I have a package here from House Again. I've had very good experiences with their previous products. We have instructions and a lot of things to assemble. The tools, the racks, the wheels, and the bars. This will probably be doing tonight. Let's put this thing together. I actually didn't put it together. I took the box to school and let some of my 7th and 8th graders put it together, and they did a fabulous job. I couldn't figure out how I would get it in my Mustang once I put it together, so I thought it better be take the box and let them install it at school. Since we were using this at school, I took the box to school and let my middle schoolers put it together. So 3 8th graders and 2 7th graders actually put this together. I told them about a trick of mine where I would put the letters of the alphabet and lay all the pieces out, and that way I could make sure that I put everything the way that it was supposed to go. They did a great job. Here's the finished product. It's very well made. It has like these extra hooks up at the top. And we have these lasers hanging on it, which are very heavy, and a shelf's coat. I'll zoom in and show you the detail. It is not some cheap aluminum thing that's going to fall apart. It's got a nice end cap where you could hang something up here. It's not going to slide off. Got these extra hooks here. Put something up there, it's not going to slide off. It's going to hold a lot of clothes. Then you have the same features down here on this end. It rolls. It's very easy to roll, rolling it with one hand. Nicely bolted down, and you have rack on the bottom. I think they may have put the racks on upside down. I think this part is supposed to be underneath here, like on an oven. But if you wanted to have it up here on top to keep things from sliding around on it, like putting shoes on there, then that would probably work. I'm happy with it as is. It's just easy to maneuver. It also has wheel locks on it if you want to lock those down to keep it from moving around. I recommend it. It must be pretty easy to put together. I just handed them the box and the directions and told them this little trick. And 5 middle schoolers got it put together. Another great product from House Again. We have the 2 tools left over and 3 screws. It also has a middle rack. If you want to hang things double, like we could hang things right here and get more storage space. We actually keep a clothes closet at our school for our kids who might need some extra clothing or have accidents or come to school with needing a t-shirt that's a little bit longer. So if you want to send us some t-shirts, I'll put the address in the text below. Big t-shirts is what we need. Thank you for watching. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Consider giving the video a thumbs up, leaving a positive comment. Remember, you can check in the text below for a link on how you can buy this item or one similar. Again, thank you for watching, and consider subscribing to my channel or a playlist that suits your needs. Until we meet again, let's just help each other solve problems.